Hi, my name is Sue Makia, and I'm the chair of the official community plan task force for the city of Penticton. I, like the others on the task force, submitted my name when there was a call out to citizens, and I felt like the voice of working class, young families needed to be heard in terms of the future. When we're thinking about the future of Penticton, we definitely don't want a cookie cutter approach where there's just kind of some boxed ideas that are just kind of put on top of Penticton, because I think there is a lot of pride in Penticton in terms of our uniqueness, and we really want to be proud of what we have, maintain it, but obviously make sure that we're going in the right direction.
And that's really the important aspect of this whole process, is not to bring our own concepts to bear, our own prejudices or subjective ideas, but rather to use our expertise to take the information from the local situation and to try and work that and feed it back to folks and see if it resonates with them and if it makes sense. Really encourages a younger demographic to be using the downtown. I'm here as part of the MODUS Planning team. We work together on these sorts of charrette projects and are in a collaborative way. Charrette's a very interesting term. It's basically an intense workshop over a limited period of time where we bring a lot of stakeholders together and a lot of design professionals together in an attempt to achieve a meaningful solution in a reasonable or short period of time. But at this stage of the process, it's very important to sort of have a snapshot of what we're doing and to present it in layman's terms in a way that the general public can get a real sense of what it is we're trying to accomplish.
So the concept here is to try and strengthen that corridor and really make that lake-to-lake connection a strong walkable connection.
On Saturday, we're going to be hosting an open house at Gyro Park from 9 until 3 during the Penticton Farmers Market for the community to come and take a look at some of the ideas that we've been working through over the past week, so people can start to see some areas that we'd like to go for and continue to get feedback from residents beyond just the OCP task force to see what we're thinking about when we're talking about design guidelines in the OCP.
What we're working towards for Saturday's presentation is the creation of a number of display boards. We like the use of display boards in these types of public presentations because they're easy for folks to move from one board to the other and to sort of see in a snapshot what it is we're trying to do.